Hi there, Mystery Baker here. Hope you're all doing well. As you may or may not know, I asked my subscribers to send me their cake pics, their Christmas cake pics to be exact. Obviously those who have made Christmas cakes. And I was pleasantly surprised. And a lot of you did get in touch, and I want to thank you personally for doing that. Because sometimes it takes a little bit of bravery, because I know sometimes we lack confidence. But I've put the video together and I've had some wonderful messages, quite humbling really. Some of you saying that I have inspired you to even start baking, um, and some of you to start cake decorating. And I just want to say you're inspiring to me too, because this is what I started my channel for, just to get people into the kitchen and not be afraid of baking and making cakes or making anything really. And if I can inspire one person, then I've done my job, haven't I? And I'm a happy bunny. Well, without further ado, here are my wonderful subscribers who have taken the time to send me their cake pics. Absolutely amazing they are. Happy Christmas.